The consumption of a piece of garlic in the morning can protect you against a variety of health issues. Garlic is extremely effective in regulating your blood circulation, relieving symptoms of hypertension, and treating many stomach problems. It can help you to enhance your digestion and to improve your appetite. When garlic is consumed on an empty stomach, it can help you to treat nerve problems. Like all pain, back pain is caused by inflammation in the body, which impacts nerves. Garlic does, in fact, feature anti-inflammatory properties, which can be useful for back pain sufferers. This versatile vegetable is highly beneficial for reducing your stress levels and therefore for preventing a production of stomach acid that your body creates every time you get nervous. Moreover, garlic is one of the best natural remedies for promoting proper detoxification. According to alternative medicine, garlic is effective in cleansing the body from worms and parasites. Also, this vegetable has the ability to prevent an occurrence of many diseases, such as typhus, depression, diabetes, as well as certain types of cancer. Let's recap on why you should eat garlic. 1. Garlic can be used to help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure and prevent cancer, heart attacks, and coronary heart disease. Human studies have found garlic supplementation to have a significant impact on reducing blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. 2. This superfood can also be used to help treat the common cold, the flu, bug bites, fungal infections, and diarrhea. Garlic supplementation is known to boost the function of the immune system. Garlic in its raw form is where you're going to get the best results. This is because heating garlic has been shown to reduce its anti-cancer properties and damage its powerful compounds. What you'll want to do to maximize the health benefits of garlic is to crush it up raw, releasing the enzymes that will break down into good compounds, and then eat it on an empty stomach. But raw garlic is incredibly pungent, so try this trick. 1. Take 1 raw garlic clove and chop it up into tiny pieces. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to activate the enzymes. Scoop up half a tablespoon of raw honey and squeeze some lemon juice. This is optional, but this will take away the garlicky smell. 2. Add the chopped garlic into the honey mixture. 3. Place the mixture into your mouth and swallow it without chewing to avoid the garlic smell and gulp it down with a glass of warm water. Try this natural remedy on an empty stomach and say hello to a healthy morning. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want more natural plant-based remedies, then check out The Lost Book of Remedies. It's a hugely popular book on the healing power of plant medicine, and you can check our review or watch a video explaining more about the book by clicking on the link within this screen or in the description below. You won't be disappointed.